This is an unboxing video of the Hot Wheels fantasy car Mail It. Let's just cut right into it. This is a 2024 car, but I got it because I know how Hot Wheels does their liveries, and once a livery is gone, it'll never like come back again. And this, like, Hot Wheels postal service in white and with a little doggo here, it just looks so right that I don't believe that with any other recolors they can top this particular livery. Even the treasure hunt of this year, 2025, is lackluster in terms of livery. It has a great paint. It has like a chameleon purple paint, I believe, and it just looks alright. The livery is letting it down. So yeah, let's just keep going here. And there is a blue, which is the original color. This white is the recolor of this particular version, but I am just absolutely enamored with how this white looks. I'm having such a hard time here. My blade is not sharp enough, probably. Oh, bumped into you there. Well, this should be able to... Nope. This is the toughest unboxing I've ever done. I usually just rip this apart, but, you know, I'm trying to collect the cards too now. Just keep it in one piece so that I can not rebox them, but like have the art together with the cards. So yeah, this is the card itself. I mean, I should have done this before, but let's just take a look at the card. Because it's a fantasy card, there's no licensing details here, and it's part of the art card series. And yeah, compared to the art, the card looks basically right. I also got this to unbox because the display side, when it's boxed, is different from the other side. That's what I learned watching some other people's unboxing videos, and I just had to have it. Continuing on, let's just do a simple walkthrough of this car here. At the front, we will see some white body wings for the wheels and a chrome interior for the exposed engine. I guess these are turbos, twin turbos, and some headlights and some grills, which is rather small. And on this side we have the base decal, which is the Hot Wheels Postal Service livery here, and 24 art cars with the cars name on it. Mailed it and go. Man, this car just looks so good. It's based on like the from what I understand anyway, the US Postal Service, like the delivery trucks that they have. Yeah, and it's like made to be dragged. Look at that. Okay, anyway, continuing on, at the top here we see a Y, because every art car has a letter on it, and this one's Y. I believe the whole series spells out creativity for last year. Not sure though. I could double check that, but I like to be wrong. Anyway, these are the airbags. These are the parachutes for a drag car to deploy when it is at speed and needs to slow down. And on the display side, the HWPS, Hot Wheels Postal Service base decal, and kinda always on time. Damn, I love that. I love that dig. Oh, just a note here, the white is not a gloss white, it is a matte white, and the decals are kind of shiny. We see a little doggo here. Matty was WUZ here. I believe I read something about this dog being the mascot for the US Postal Service. So yeah, the wheels here we have, oh my god, I don't remember the name of this, but it's one of the newer wheels that's released a few years ago. It's on the main line and the aero disc, and yeah, the base here have the name of the car and the license details, I guess. 24 2023 because it's made in 2024, blah blah blah. But before unboxing this car, I thought about a similar car that I have, which is this, the Nitro door slammer, that also based on like dragsters, and despite how like different it looks, one's like super long, one's super short, but I'm really enjoying how this car looks. I mean, I really rolled it a few times, but yeah, it rolls well. There's some wobbling, but this car is to be looked at, not to be played. Play on the track anyway, for me. And maybe because it has a small footprint, but it feels super sturdy. Speaking of that, let's go right into the weight here. Whoop. It weighs 35 grams. 36. Yeah, 36. 35, 36. Some margin of error there, probably with the casting. Yeah, I'm really enjoying this. This car looks amazing. I like the white one a lot more compared to the blue original color and the treasure hunt of this year, 2025. So I didn't get them, but having them three together side by side looks really good too. The chrome details here. I thought about like something that you could do, which is like take the treasure hunt one with the good paint and swap it with the chrome insides of this particular one, so they can have like a, I don't know, a better looking version of this casting. But yeah, this livery really sells it to me. Just look at that, the decals, the graffiti, man. Anyway, I've been yapping enough. Let's set up the turntable here and just show you guys what it looks like. Closer. Okay. Right, let's go. Yep. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. There will be a few more. Coming up is a GR86 and the long block, small block. I thought about doing them in a pair, so yeah, we'll see how that goes. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.